Hey guys, happy Thursday. Today's Thursday the 15th of July 2021. It's about 1 o'clock today. I'm on my second job of the day. I am doing some LVT for a client that's opening up her office. She's got about 600 square feet, or I'm sorry, about a little over 500 square feet. And I'm here on the job and getting ready to take care of that FAR. It's a nice day out there. It's kind of hot though. But I'm doing this job FAR and we are going to be scrubbing it with my Saber machine, and then we're going to use a 175 to agitate. So I got the product down now, and they have some paint on the floor, so I'm letting that kind of dwell a little bit to suspend that. They couldn't get that up, so I have to emulsify it to break that up and then extract it. So we're going to see if that comes up. As you can see, look at that breaking down now, and kind of get it restored. See if they look at that. So I'm getting all that up for them. And I did a demo for them the other day to see if I can move it, and I could. I actually did a demo right here, a clean spot. So they're pretty excited with it. So that gave me the green light to go ahead and get this floor restored. Has a lot of residue. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but there's a lot of residue buildup right all right there and all over the floor. So I'm gonna get that back to the original texture, back to looks like an off-white condition, and yeah, they're gonna be pleased. So I'm gonna save them thousands of dollars. You can see there's some more paint on the floor and a lot of residue. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm doing, and get that restored for her, and that way she can open up for business. So yeah, some more over there. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty satisfactory, and I'm excited to show her the results as well as you guys. All right, Facebook, stay tuned. All right, guys, I am done. This is how it turned out. This floor looks truly amazing. I was able to get all the paint and residue, the contaminants off the floor. The customer is so happy. I mean, look at that, guys. If you guys remember, that residue that was right there, it is gone. She is so excited. It turned out beautiful. And again, this is LVT, luxury vinyl tile, and I was able to remove all that paint that was right there. She's gonna put up some baseboard cove, but yeah, she's truly excited. Can't wait she comes back and sees the final results. If you guys remember, there's some paint over there. Got that out. That was over there in that area. I was able to get that out. It looks amazing. She's so excited. All right, guys. That's gonna do it. Another save floor. Save this customer thousands of dollars. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Go ahead.
Are you ready? Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna take my shoes off, wear my socks. So what do you guys think?
Wow. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
It is beautiful.
9-day difference, isn't it?
It is gorgeous and so clean and bright. Look at this. All gone. Paint's all gone. Look, the paint's all gone.
So what would you tell people that are going to watch this video? What would you tell them when they're looking about?
Oh, 10 out of 10 recommend.
Appreciate that. All right, guys, that's going to do it.